Hello, my name is Lance Liam, and welcome to Travel Tour Adventure here in Iceland, Europe. Ayan po ang mga view, puro yellow. At napakaganda po dyan. Naku po, kung nasa bucket list ninyo yung Iceland, don't forget, to drive around. Marami po siyang ino-offer na tourist spot, locations, napakaganda. 360 view. Super ganda. In this country, it's highly recommended for you guys to visit. Alright, my name is Lance Liam. Ito po ay pinapakita lang natin yung ganda ng Iceland. I hope magugustuhan ninyo. Alright, don't forget to like, comment, and share because I care about you. Kaya nga pinapakita ko sa inyo para, kahit papano, masulyapan ninyo ang ganda ng Iceland. Thank you so much and have a nice day. May the Lord bless you. Thank you.